Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to download and install the latest version of Python on Windows 11. So first open your preferred browser. I'll be using Chrome and search Python. Press enter. Click the first link, python.org, and you'll be welcomed on their main website. Highlight downloads and click Python 3.13.7, which is the current version at the moment. So wait for download to complete. It's complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. Minimize. So click use admin privileges when installing, as well as add Python to path, and click customize installation. So here are the optional features. Keep them the way they are and click next. So here we have advanced options. Click install Python 3.13 for all users. So our Python will be installed in this location, but if you want to change, you can simply click on browse and select the location of your choice. So click install, click yes, and wait for the installation to complete. So our setup was complete. You can close. So let's verify our installation. So come to the search bar and type cmd, command prompt, and press enter. So here we can type python space -- version and press enter. And you can see that we have downloaded the current version, Python 3.13.7. So that's how to download and install the current version of Python. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from MyPro Education.